How are you, Ting?
I'm good.
Good, good. Now yours, by the way, is the. Can you send me your email address again, please? For some reason, I didn't keep it.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, that's fine. Just when you were ready. Bao Ling, Bao Ling, chào con.
You hear me?
I can now. How are you, Bao Ling?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good. And Bao Ming, Michael. Xin chào. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Ray.
Good. Kian. Hello, Kian.
Hello, teacher.
Good. How are you, Kian?
Quite good.
That's good. Have you ever been fishing this week?
Yes, for
You
several
have.
times.
Oh, good. Did you catch any fish?
Yes.
You did
There's
catch
some-
some fish. Oh, that's
Yes,
great.
I
Excellent.
did.
Can you eat them? The fish that you catch? Can you cook them or not?
Um, I'm not very good at cooking fish, but
Right.
yeah, I
Right.
I do like eating them.
Yes. Me too. Me too. Okay, everyone. I'll just wait another minute or so, see if anyone else is going to join us today. And then we will continue with this morning's lesson. Pak Zung, is he coming, Mrs. Ha?
Yes, he's coming.
He should be coming. Okay. Yeah, I want to talk to him about the extra lesson. So, Michael, just while we are waiting, can you hear me,
Yes.
Michael? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So what I'm doing just with the lessons on Thursday, they're really just for people who have the Ielts test coming up within the next couple of weeks. Okay. So I
Yeah.
think yours isn't until October. Is that right?
Yeah, around that, no?
Yeah, okay. So we have plenty of time to do some lesson before then. So at the moment, I'm just mainly, well, I am focusing on the people who have the IELTS coming up in a couple of weeks. So for example, I think Kak Sung has got his in 2 weeks. So I will do a couple of extra lessons with him this week and next week. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the same with everyone too. So with a couple of, when you have a couple of weeks to go before your IELTS test, mainly practicing speaking. All right, just to give you plenty of practice at speaking. Right, I'll just
All right.
check who's here. So Feng Ling, Bao Ming, Bao Ling. Bao Ling, I hear you're going to Thailand this week.
I go to Thailand next week.
Yes, next week. This coming week. Yeah. Have you been before?
Have never. Yeah, it's my
Great.
first.
Okay, great. I'm sure you will have a great time.
Thank you.
Very interesting. And so I've given some suggestions to Bakha and also to Paula, okay, for what you can do.
Yes.
Yeah. In fact, Mrs. Ha, when is a good time to maybe talk to Paula? Is she available sometime?
Yes, Bảo Linh ơi, Bảo Linh con nhắn với nó, con bảo nó là xem nói chuyện với thầy đi nhé.
Vẫn giận nhau hả bác?
Bác không nói chuyện với nó nữa đâu.
Dạ vâng.
Con nói với nó, con bảo nhé, con bác không muốn nói chuyện với nó nữa.
Dạ vâng.
Okay, so maybe I will talk to her sometime before you go, Mrs. Ha.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you.
And hopefully, yeah, so I can tell her because Bao Ling getting the train is the easiest way to get around Bangkok. Bao Ling.
Can you say again?
Yeah, catching the train, the Sky Train, is the easiest way to travel around Bangkok.
Yes.
Much easier than using a Grab or a taxi. Much easier because the train, of course, is above the traffic. That's why they call it the Sky Train. It is above the traffic, so much faster. But I will tell you how to use it.
Yes.
Okay, because can be a little bit, because often there are big crowds at the railway station. Hard to work out if you haven't been there before.
Yes.
So I can tell you how to use it.
Oh.
Okay. All right. I think we waited long enough, everyone. So we will get started. So I want to have a talk to you about using AI for your essays, but I will wait till some of the others join us. I might do that at the end, actually. So I can talk to everyone at once about that. Tuan Son, Calgon, can you hear me, Tuan Son?
Yes, I can.
Good. Welcome to class. And Feng Ni, Xin Chao Feng Ni.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Feng Ni?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, everyone, let's get started. So I have a short test for you today. Then we're going to be looking at a new task 1 exercise, and we're going to be doing some speaking. Okay, but first of all, short test. Okay, this is a test of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs, we've done this test maybe some time ago, but again, some of you are still making this mistake in your writing. So we're just going to review this. Phrasal verbs are verbs that consist of a verb and a particle, as you can see here. So, for example, look up, go through, make out are all phrasal verbs. Particles, of course, are words like this. There are many particles in English. These are just some of them. So you need to learn the meaning of a phrasal verb as a unit, by which I mean you need to know what look up means or go through means. So instead of just learning each single word, you need to learn phrasal verbs as a unit. Sometimes there are 2 words in phrasal verbs, sometimes there are 3. So again, we're going to go quickly through these because I want to get on to the writing. So I'm going to ask not each of you each question, but I'm going to ask each of you 1 question. Okay, Feng Ling. Feng Ling.
Yes.
Number 1, please. Can you identify the 2? You can see here there are 2 phrasal verbs in the sentence. First of all, Feng Ling, can you read me all the sentence? Just read me the sentence.
I saved off the order last week, but the goods haven't turned up yet.
Good. Okay. What are the 2 phrasal verbs in the sentence, Feng Ling?
Phrase verb, send off and turn up.
Correct. Very good, Feng Ling. That's good. Okay, everyone, if you're not sure, sent off, okay, turned up are both phrasal verbs. Okay, the verb, okay, and a particle. Same with this one, verb and a particle makes it a phrasal verb. Bao Ming, Michael.
Yep.
Number 2, please. Can you read the sentence, Michael?
All right. I came across an interesting book in the library and noted down the title.
Great. What are the 2 phrasal verbs?
Came across and noted down.
Correct. Okay, good. I came across, again, for those of you who are not sure, came across and noted down. And like I say, you need to learn these phrasal verbs as a unit. Okay, they're like a collocation. That's what I mean. So came across, okay, those words go together often. Noted down, those words go together often to make a phrasal verb. Number 3, Bao Ling. Bao Ling.
Yes.
Read sentence 3, please.
The aircon was playing up and then the car broke down.
And the 2 phrasal verbs are, Bao Ling?
Is play up and broke down.
Okay, what does play up mean, Bao Ling? Can you give me a synonym? The aircon was playing up. Very common phrase in English. This is another reason why I'm showing these to you. Okay, so you can make these part of your vocabulary. Playing up. Playing up means it was something is wrong with it. Something is wrong with it. Okay, so it means if the aircon was playing up, it means it's not working properly. So sometimes maybe your laptop plays up.
Yes.
Okay, sometimes any device can play up. The car can play up. Your motorcycle can play up. All right, your phone can play up. Playing up just means it's not working properly. And obviously, broke down also means the same thing. If something broke down, well, it broke down is worse than playing up. Broke down means it's not working at all. Anything that has broken down is not working at all. The car broke down, the bus broke down, my motorcycle broke down, means it's not working, has some problem. Okay, so playing up means you have some problem with some machine. Playing up, very common in English. So worth adding to your vocabulary if you haven't already. Number 4, Kian. Kian,
Yes, teacher.
can you read number 4, please? The whole sentence.
I brought up this item at the last meeting. It's to sort out the problem.
Okay, and the 2 phrasal verbs are, Kian?
Brought up.
Yep.
And sort out.
Correct. Okay, brought up. Okay, brought up means something that you bring to everyone's attention. I brought up this subject in class. Okay, I brought up means something you talk about, something you mention to everybody else. I brought up means to mention this to everyone else. Usually used in when you're talking about having a meeting with a group of people. I brought up something. And sort out, what does sort out mean, Kian? Sort out. Time to sort out the problem. Kian, oi,
Oh, it's me again.
it's you again. What does sort out mean, Kian?
Sort out. I think it's similar to solve.
Yes, solve or fix. Okay, same thing. Yeah, time to fix the problem, time to solve the problem, sort out. Sort out. Again, very common in English. Sort out. Okay, number 5. Ting. Ting.
I'm here.
Okay, please read sentence 5.
I wish it stop messing us about this. Put the meeting up 3 times and now he wants to call it up altogether.
Okay, good. So this one a bit harder thing. There are 3